Languages, dialects, and standards. Many people equate the term language as in the English language or the French language with the standard language, because the standard language is associated with education and sophistication. Other varieties of the language are considered to be lesser than the others in comparison with the standard. However, to the linguist, the language isn't just the standard language, but rather the sum of all varieties of the language, even the most far and weird from standard or the socially prestigious language. All of them have a complex and regularly patterned and could serve as a vehicle to deliver an idea that the speaker wants to express. So the term dialect carries no negative connotation, which is just like a neutral label, refers to a variety of a language, just like the varieties of the standards. And it's important to note that dialect isn't the same thing as slang or jargon, because dialect deal with grammatical, phonological, and lexical features of the language, but the slang or jargon deals with just the lexical items. How could we determine that a variety of a language is a dialect of the same language, or it's a separate language? We have one criteria. Says that if two varieties are linguistically similar and mutual intelligible, which means the speakers could understand the other and vice versa, could we say that two varieties are from the same language, from a single language? On the other hand, if two varieties are not linguistically similar and not mutually intelligible, the speakers could not understand the other and vice versa, could we say that are from different languages? Inherent varieties. Let's take our list dialect as an example, like in England or Wales, to express our idea or to discuss the case. Okay, we have a simple question. Does a British speaker drop the R every time, everywhere? Does it randomly, haphazardly, or follows a pattern? It follows a pattern, because they sometimes pronounce the R and sometimes not. And we have the American speaker that the R is always pronounced in a different ways, but it always pronounced. In England, we don't pronounce the R every time, everywhere. Okay, let's take another example, like Spanish language. Hola amigo, ¿cómo está? No, Pedro, please, now I don't need you. When I need you, I will call you. ¿Por qué? Okay. Vas a llamarme. Great. Let's continue. So, in Spanish language, in Castilian dialect, in Castellano, in Spanish, we have the S sound and the Th sound, like the TH in English. Like the word hace, with TH sound. And we have the S sound, like baso. But we have one word that consists of two sounds, like gracias, with the S sound TH and the S sound. Okay, and now we will call Pedro to express the Spanish dialects, all the Spanish dialects in one word. So we will call Pedro.
Hola amigo, ¿cómo estás?
Okay, just express one word in all.
Vale,
dialects.
vale, vale.
Great.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? ¿Sabes cómo se llama eso? Tiene muchos nombres. Hola, caramba. ¿Sabes cómo se llama eso? Absorbente, bombilla, pajilla, pajita, pitillo, popete, sorbete, sorbeto. También tenemos calimete, canila y tenemos carizo. Muchos nombres, amigos. Muchos nombres. Es facilismo, no, es facilismo, amigo. And in Arabic dialects, we have so many ways to say so much in many different countries, maybe in the same country, pronounce or have more than one word to express this word so much or so many. We have ياسر, هواية, كتير, برشا, حيل, helba, and that's it. So please, if you are interested in linguistics or in languages in general, please write me a comment or press the like. Mil besos. Adios.